If a hip replacement is in your future, let's start with the good news. Medicare covers it. Now here's the catch. More than half of these surgeries are now outpatient, so you go home the same day. And this year, that same-day surgery can cost you about $2,154. An inpatient stay costs you $1,736. Same hip, same procedure. Over $400 more. Medicare covers total, partial, and revision hip replacement, as long as your doctor determines it's medically necessary. What changes is which part pays. If you're admitted, Part A covers the hospital stay. In 2026, the Part A deductible is $1,736 per benefit period. When it's outpatient, Part B takes over instead. You pay your annual Part B deductible of $283, then 20% of the Medicare-approved amount. Medicare's price lookup tool puts the average between $1,927 and $2,154. Both are more than the inpatient deductible. Then comes rehab. Most patients need 6 to 12 weeks of physical therapy, and Medicare puts no annual limit on it, as long as your doctor certifies it's medically necessary. You still owe 20%. And after a qualifying 3-day inpatient stay, skilled nursing carries no coinsurance for 20 days, then $218 a day through day 100. So how do you stop the guessing? A Medicare Supplement Plan. With Plan G, your maximum out-of-pocket cost for a hip replacement is that $283 Part B deductible, inpatient or outpatient. Your premium is separate, and there are no networks, so you can use any surgeon who accepts Medicare. One warning if you're on Medicare Advantage instead. Those plans often require prior authorization, so call your plan first. So yes, Medicare covers hip replacement. What it won't do is hand you one predictable price. Your plan does that. Visit MedicareCompared.com and talk with a licensed agent today. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Because when it comes to a new hip, the only thing that should surprise you is how good it feels to walk again.